Inside of this UEFN tutorial video, I'm going to teach you how to teleport yourself with a remote inside of UEFN. So come into the content browser and we're going to need to grab a couple of devices. We're going to need to type in remote device and grab the remote signal remote manager. We're going to set this to signal remote tier to legendary. Obviously this is the coolest one. And cooldown time, we can put this on 1, but it doesn't really matter so much. So all we need to do inside of here, well, we don't actually need to do anything inside of here yet. What we need to do as well is grab a teleporter, and in this teleporter, let's just change these groups to group none and group none. Now inside of user options function, there is a section called teleport. Click on the add element, click the pipette, and now go into your signal remote manager and choose on primary or secondary. So this is if you want to have to aim in or if you want to press shoot to activate. Now all we need to do is add in an item, a team settings device. And inside of item list, nothing else needs to get changed, by the way, guys. Keep this on 0. Inside of item list, add in your remote device D. This is the legendary one. If you didn't choose legendary, just make sure that you've chose the right one. And now let's check this in game. So when we press this remote device, we're going to teleport. If this video was helpful to you guys, use creator code GISMO in the Fortnite item store. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you're an absolute beginner, I have a course, first link in the description.